Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to protect column and cells in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, click on this corner in this left side top corner. Now we can see this whole entire worksheet is selected. Now right click this similar top corner and format cells. Now here protection is locked, so unlocked, then click on OK. Now click anyway. So this time entire worksheet is unlocked. Now select particular cells, rows and columns which you want to lock, like these two row I want to lock. So select, then right click, format cells, protection. This time you have to select locked. Then click on OK. Now here click on review and protect sheet. So make sure these both options, select locked cells, select unlocked cells, are selected. This both box you need to check. Then click on OK. Now click anyway. Now you try to make changes. You will see this notice. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. So to make unlock, right click, so you will not see the above. Now to unlock again and to make changes in this cells, same click on review and click on unprotect sheet. Then select, right click, and now this option is activate, format cells, click on it, and this time unselect, then click on OK. Now you can make changes here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.